Hello everyone and welcome to Amigurumi Basics Flat Shapes. I'm Anna, I'm the Amigurumi designer behind Bodirumi. In this class we'll build our flat shape sampler while learning how to crochet simple geometric shapes like a circle, a square, a triangle, and many more. This is the first class in a mini-series where we start with simple flat shapes that then will be used in the last class to create an adorable amigurumi project. Now you might be thinking, wait, isn't amigurumi all about crocheting 3D plushes? Why are we learning about flat shapes? Well, let's ask our little robot friend.
Hi there, I may be 3D but I'm made from lots of flat pieces. My face and eyes, a rectangle and two circles. My control panel, more rectangles, squares and triangles. Even my head and body are built from flat shapes sewn together.
Thanks, little robot. And there's another important reason to learn flat shapes. Almost every 3D crochet shape starts as a flat shape. So by learning the basics, you'll build skills that will help you create any kinds of amigurumi project later on. This class is perfect for beginners who want to explore the many possibilities of crochet. Grab whichever hook and yarn you have on hand and let's get started.